Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix PS5 error code CE-117740-0. There may be a problem with the application. Fix 1. Update PS5 and game. First open settings, from there go to system and then go to system software. Now click on system software update and settings. Now select Update System Software and highlight your game. Press the Options button and then select Check for Update. Fix 2. Restore licenses. Go to Settings, then go to Users and Account. Now tap on Other. From there, select Restore licenses and wait for the process to finish. Now open the game again. Fix 3. Rebuild database. Turn off your PS5 completely and hold the power button until you hear the second beep. Now connect your controller with a USB cable and select Clear Cache and Rebuild database. Now select Rebuild database and wait for it to finish. Fix 4. Reinstall the game. Go to Settings, then go to Storage. From there, go to Games and Apps. Now select the game causing the error and choose Delete. Then open your game library and download and install the game again. Now launch the game and check if the error is fixed. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.